If you love low maintenance free living, exceptional suite design and finishes, and couple that with the longest freshwater beach in the world and the Niagara Escarpment as your backdrop, you're gonna love our newest listing. All that and more on today's episode. Hey Adam, we find ourselves here today in beautiful Wasaga Beach, and I can't help but feel a little nostalgia here. I gotta tell you, I got some fond memories of this place. As a young kid, the Wasaga 500 go-kart track was absolutely famous. A little older, playing some hockey in the Wasaga Stars Arena and doing some overnight camps there. And after that, well, closed down the Dardanella maybe once or twice.
Those are some fantastic memories, Unc. But I think we're gonna need a fountain of youth to relive them, and I don't think that one is capable of it. But that being said, Wasaga Beach has changed a lot over the years.
Absolutely. It has actually grown into one of the most popular retirement destinations in all of Ontario for lots of amazing reasons why. We've got literally every amenity within 5-10 minutes of where we are here right now, and you can't ask for a better location with beautiful Southern Georgian Bay right just down the road.
I couldn't agree more, Unc. Wasaga Beach has truly turned into a retirement destination, including the Wasaga Meadows community that we're currently in. This is maintenance-free living at its absolute finest. Let's get inside and have a look at our newest listing. This is 24 Clover Crescent. Welcome inside your new home at 24 Clover Crescent. You are going to absolutely love this one. From the moment you walk inside, you'll notice how perfect this floor plan is. It's open concept and it's all on one level in this bungalow, so it's perfect for you downsizers or retirees. You have 1,200 square feet here, 2 bedroom, 2 full bath, as well as a large kitchen, living, and dining combo. This one is not to be missed.
Not only is the square footage and the floor plan of the suite ideal, but the features and finishes are absolutely fabulous here. We've got 7-inch baseboards, pot lighting, cathedral ceilings, easy care, engineered hardwood flooring, and ceramic tile throughout. We've got a gorgeous gas fireplace, and over and above that, my favorite feature is the garden door terrace walkout to your private patio and park-like backyard. Come see for yourself.
Now, Unc, I think one of the greatest parts about living in a community like this is the access to the phenomenal amenities like you see here behind me. For just a nominal fee, which is exclusive to Parkbridge community members, you get access to indoor-outdoor pools, a community games room, and movie theater. Not to mention you have a splash pad and a mini putt for those grandkids.
Wow, we're talking lifestyle here, folks. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Wasaga. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.